Hello, I'm Dr. Maria Pertelis-Romito, and welcome to another edition of Around the Home. Today we're going to take a look at our dishwasher and how to maintain our dishwasher so that we can avoid those costly repairs. And one thing that you always want to do is use white vinegar. White vinegar will help stop the buildup of all that soap scum, not only inside your dishwasher, but also in the pipes that lead out of your dishwasher. And how to do that? Take a small custard cup, fill it up with some white vinegar. Plain white vinegar is all you'll need. Place that cup back into your dishwasher, finish filling it up, and then run your dishwasher as you normally would. Do you have blue fog on your glasses? Then using that white vinegar will help eliminate that blue fog, as well as making sure that that temperature is nice and hot. But there are some things that we should do that we shouldn't place into our dishwasher. And those would be things that have wooden handles. These really should be hand washed. And any item that has the rubber type handle, again, these items should be hand washed as well. But of course, all of our silverware and things like that can go into our dishwasher. If you're noticing that your dishes are beginning to get cracked or brittle, that means they've been exposed to the heat, and that prolonged heat time is cracking your dishes. What you can do not only would be more sustainable, but also would prevent that cracking, would be to, once the heat setting comes on, let the heat run for about 5 to 10 minutes, turn your dishwasher off, and let the dishes finish drying all by themselves. After an hour or two, then remove all your dishes. They'll be nice and dry, and they won't be exposed to those very high temperatures. These are just some helpful tips to help you prolong the life of your appliance, and also to hopefully prevent some of those costly repairs. Thanks.